wrong with my mother?
Hi! Hi! This is my good side? Or is this my good side?
Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're raiding your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. Today we're celebrating Mother's Day!
Yay!
This is my mother, Mama.
Hi!
Do we look alike?
You don't have my nose, you have my eyes, you don't have my chin.
Are you sure I'm your child then?
Yes.
Do you have any fun stories about my childhood that you want to share?
Yes, he used to say walking in
What was walking in?
Lion King, which is not even close.
There?
No.
Okay.
Not even close.
Okay, fine. How many times a day did I watch Lion King when I was a baby?
25,
A day?
probably.
Ugh. Did you have to rewind it, or did you eventually make me rewind it myself?
No, you learn how to do it. You were a pretty smart kid.
Ah, what happened?
I don't know.
What are your thoughts on me becoming a bartender and doing all this kitchen drink stuff?
Too much alcohol.
Is that the only part that's too much?
Yes.
Speaking of alcohol, you don't drink that much usually, right?
No, I'm a lightweight.
Thankfully, I didn't get that gene from her, so this is going to be kind of a tough episode, but she does go to Mexico a lot. What is your favorite spirit?
I love tequila.
What's your favorite tequila you've had so far?
Addictivo.
Adictivo? You like your flavored tequilas too, don't
Yes. I like passion fruit, pomegranate, vanilla, and everything else.
you? Are you ready for me to make you a Mother's Day drink?
Yes.
Why are you so terse?
Yes.
No, that didn't change at all. You're still...
Yes.
Oh my god. Yeah, okay. My mom's not a camera person, so I guess
No,
this is
I'm
what
not.
I get. Alright. We'll head to the fridge after admiring this mint and grab a bunch of my mom's favorite fruits, as well as this homemade ginger syrup. And a bottle whose contents I can't quite remember. Though once I see the ice cream, all my plans go out the window, except for the part where we're going to use this tequila. We'll start with a little bit more extract than I anticipated and the tequila, a little spoonful of ice cream for me, and then I guess a little for the drink as well. And after a little taste, this bottle of unknown contents is Campari and Maraschino liqueur put together. Might not work here, so we'll just add the ginger syrup and some frozen raspberries. Since we have two ice cold things in the tin, we don't really need to add ice to the shaker to chill, and since we're putting this drink on pebble ice, I also don't really have to add any water for dilution. Garnish up this drink to make it all pretty, and let's see what Mama thinks. Here we go. Do you want a straw or no?
I think I need a straw.
Okay.
Yep. Oh, it's strong.
I thought you might think that.
But it's good. I can drink this. What is this?
You're supposed to guess.
I don't know.
So what do you see visually?
This is mint, raspberry,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't know what. Alcohol.
After we spent
Oh,
all this
tequila.
time- Yeah.
Tequila!
Alright, so the drink is red. What do you think that means?
Pomegranate.
Do we have pomegranate?
I don't know.
Do you look in our fridge ever?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, when I eat. We don't have pomegranate, so it is this one, the raspberry.
Yeah. That's
Oh
why I'm
my
like, why?
God.
Why are you saying pomegranate when the raspberry's right on
It's
top?
raspberry! I like it.
Good.
Then I'm going to sleep. Do you have in the refrigerator? Pineapple?
Pineapple?
Oh, yes! There's pineapple.
Okay.
I taste it. This is difficult. I don't know.
Is there anything weird about the texture of the drink?
No.
No? Oh, I did too good a job and hit everything. Well, you ready to find out what's in there?
Yep.
We're gonna start with our spirit because it is my mother's favorite spirit. It's unlabeled tequila. It's the one that I use for my own little bar setup here. You said raspberries. Pretty obvious, they're right there. When you freeze your berries, they get a nice little frost in them as they warm up a little bit.
Yeah.
If you don't feel like freezing your raspberries, all you gotta do is muddle it and then it'll be better at melding into the drink. The mint is just a garnish. This is from the one in our windowsill. You know how you said you wanted a fruity drink?
Yeah.
I almost didn't do it. The raspberries I threw in there, I was like, wait, I gotta throw that in there, otherwise she's gonna get mad. This is pretty much a tequila sundae. There's a little bit of a spice in there. Some
Oh,
spice.
no.
No, not spicy spice.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a ground spice. Do you know what spice I'm talking about? It's the one for Moscow mules and stuff like
Oh,
that.
I don't know.
Oh, that stuff is ginger syrup.
Oh!
Yeah.
No.
No. You just mix some ginger juice with sugar and water. So I threw in some ginger in there to add a little kick to it. With
I
the
love
fruitiness.
Moscow Mule.
Yeah, I know you do. To go with the ginger, I threw in a little bit of extract. A bean, a brown bean. It's usually for baking.
No.
No? Okay, well, that extract is
Aww.
pure vanilla extract.
Okay.
I actually put a lot more in the drink than I thought I was going to because I'm used to bitters bottles, so I turned it over and then just sprayed it everywhere. I was like, well, I guess that's gonna just add some alcohol content to this drink.
It's gone.
No, it's not. You still got plenty left. You know how you said pineapple?
Mm-hmm.
You're wrong.
No?
No, there's no pineapple in that.
What
drink.
is that?
I think that's the raspberries mixing with everything else. There is an acidic part in this, so there's a little
Lemon?
fresh lemon.
Okay, yeah.
That's the acidity you're getting from the drink. Where's this from again?
Pomona.
We have a little place in Pomona.
It's organic. Very organic.
So I have a constant supply of these guys every time my parents go to Pomona for work. And the last ingredient, I hinted at it because I said this is like a tequila sundae.
Ice cream.
Yeah, you know what ice cream?
Yeah, the Rocky Road.
Yeah, Rocky Road ice
Because
cream.
that's your papa's favorite.
Is it?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I was going to do a fruit drink with cucumber, cantaloupe, pear, tequila, lemon, probably simple syrup. Would have been nice and refreshing. Are you telling me to take that from you?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gone.
When I went to the freezer, I saw the ice cream and I was like, oh wait, I should make an ice cream drink because my mom deserves a relaxing dessert type drink.
After working night shift and then another day shift.
A graveyard shift and a day shift, right? One after the other. And then she's gonna take a nap after having a slightly too strong tequila drink. Now that you know there's Rocky Road ice cream in your drink, did you taste
No.
it? No?
I said,
All you could taste was the tequila?
yeah. And the pineapple.
I don't know.
I taste the pineapple.
Yeah, it must be the raspberries with the lemon juice put together. Did you like your Mother's Day drink?
Yep.
Are you gonna make me make this for you for non-Mother's Day?
Maybe.
But weaker?
No, it's okay.
No?
The first taste was strong, but then you get used to it, so.
I guess I did get some alcohol tendencies from my mom.
Yeah. I love tequila.
So guys, that's Mama's Kitchen Drink where we put in everything
But the kitchen sink.
Remember to drink responsibly. Bye!
Bye.
Happy Mother's Day! And I have to give you a hug for Mother's Day now.
Nope. I don't do hugs.
Oh.
Not even for Mother's Day.
Oh.